How to detect if a cell is empty when reading Excel files using the xlrd library? I handle Excel files using the functions row_values and call_values. For example, I get call_values as list. What if I meet an empty cell in some column? For example, a cell 1, 1 is not empty. A cell 1, 2 is empty and a cell 1, 3 is not empty. How can I detect that the cell 1, 2 is empty? Is this true that I get a list with an empty string as a value of an empty cell for most well-known programs which generate Excel files?
You could be explicit and check the sheet.cell_type ruvna, kano, in, xlrd.xl_cell_empty, xlrd.xl_cell_blank, but the docs state the value will be u where those are the case anyway. Instead of using row_values, you could also use row in, which returns a list of cell objects which have .value and .cell_type attributes.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.